Biggest idea for next year in my industry, a reevaluation of the relationship between the big AI companies and the media companies. Here's what I mean. So far, the relationship hasn't been so good. AI companies came and scraped the data from the media companies, built all these juggernauts. The juggernauts return very little of value, including very little traffic to the media companies. In fact, there's a risk that as all of search gets absorbed inside of Gemini, inside of OpenAI's search product, that the open web will disappear, which would have a devastating effect on media. My guess is that changes. That's not good for the big AI companies. It's not good for Gemini. They have a whole bunch of newspapers, magazines, and others go out of business. So how could this be resolved? One, a new system that really does have some kind of efficient, like a new way that Gemini and ChatGPT and Claude are built so that their outgoing links are some kind of exchange of value, kind of like the way Google Search, Facebook, and other products work at it for the last decade. Another possibility. There could be a standard payment system for scraping, right? To help Cloudflare and other partners. It may be the case that new economics arise where media companies, websites are compensated every time they're scraped and the data is put into training set, training corpus of another model. Three, it could be something like what ProRata has done. ProRata has built an AI search engine that evaluates what the sources were for certain answers. You type in a query, you get an answer back, and it tells you this came 10% from A, 15% from B. They can then build a compensation model. Another possible idea. There could be a way that subscription models integrate with AI products. On the Atlantic has a subscription model. You could figure out a way that it is accessible inside of Google so that Google users who are also Atlantic subscribers get access to Atlantic data in their Gemini searches. That provides a value to Google, it provides a value to the user, provides a value to us. There could be a new economic model there. There could, in fact, be an entirely different way of incorporating subscription payments into the new agentic web we're going to. There may also be other ideas. But right now, dynamic's kind of a mess. And the business model that exists, which is like occasional one-off payments as part of these complicated licensing deals for some of the biggest players, including one that we did with OpenAI, that's not sustainable and that's not great. Someone is going to come up with a better model. And whichever AI company I think does it will have a big advantage. So that's the bigger thing that's going to happen 2026, my industry.